Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Product Specialist and Love Promise Coordinator for Santa Cruz Subaru. Today we're going to talk about what happens if you need to get one new tire for your Subaru, if you got a puncture or something like that. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos on everything Subaru, impart my wisdom and the knowledge I have gained in my lifelong love of Subarus in the last 18 years working for Santa Cruz Subaru. If you find use of the videos, please hit that little Santa Cruz Subaru wave down there, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Like the videos, it lets my bosses know that customers appreciate what I do, and let me keep doing what I do. All right, let's get into it. Tires on your Subaru. So one of the things that our competitors say is, on a Subaru, if you lose one tire, doesn't matter, you have to buy 4 tires. So what they're telling you is not true. It's just kind of true. And one thing that they're definitely not going to tell you is they have all-wheel drive cars too, and that is something that happens on all-wheel drive cars, not just Subaru. So if you're looking at a Toyota, a Mazda, a Honda, anything that's an all-wheel drive car and you're comparing it to a Subaru, the same rule is going to apply to their cars as it does to Subaru's cars. It just so happens Subaru only makes all-wheel drive cars, except for the BRZ. But this is not really true. So tires come with 10 millimeters of tread depth. That's what they are on brand new tires. Once you're 3 or below, you have to get new tires. We measure tire tread depth with a couple tools. One of them is this cool little one, looks like this. It's got the different color codes to tell you how much tread you have left on your tires. If you're within 2 millimeters of a difference on your tires, you can't run tires that have more than 2 or more difference on the millimeters. So if you lose a tire with 7 millimeters left on it and you put one with 10, that's more than 2, and it's going to affect your car and affect the transmission system. But one of the things that we can do, and they're not going to tell you this at the other manufacturers, is we can do what we call a tire shaving. So let's pretend you have 7 millimeters on your tires and you run over a pothole or you run over a nail. It's unfixable. You can't put that 10 millimeter tire on your new car and just run with it. But what we can do is we can buy a brand new tire and shave the tire down and give it the appearance of a used tire. That way, all of your tires have the exact same tread wear, even though one of them is technically a new tire. I have personally done this on my Subaru vehicle. My wife must have hit a pothole or something like that, didn't even notice it. Got a bubble in her tire. We had a lot of life left on our other tires, and she's been driving about a year on one new tire. It's worked out great. We've done our rotations, no problems whatsoever. So again, if you're shopping for a Subaru and the competitor is telling you, hey, don't buy a Subaru, you have to buy 4 new tires, or you're at a tire shop and they're telling you, nope, you got to buy 4 new tires on Subarus, check into tire shaving. We do it quite often here at Santa Cruz Subaru. All right, thanks for watching.